Ever wondered how your car unlocks itself the moment you walk up to it, without even touching the key? Today on Knowledge Hub, we're diving into the invisible technology behind keyless car entry, a system that feels like magic, but is actually a brilliant combination of radio frequency communication, encryption, and real-time authentication working together in milliseconds. At the heart of this system is a small device you carry, called a key fob, which contains a microcontroller, a battery, and a radio transmitter, and sometimes even a secure element chip dedicated to handling cryptographic operations. And when you approach your car, the vehicle continuously emits a signal. The vehicle emits a low-frequency signal, around 125 kHz, through multiple antennas placed strategically in areas like the door handles, trunk, and interior cabin. This low-frequency signal creates a short-range electromagnetic field that acts like a detection zone, ensuring that only keys within close proximity can respond. When your key fob enters this field, it uses inductive coupling to harvest enough energy to wake up its circuitry, even if it was asleep. The key fob then transmits a high-frequency radio signal, usually around 315 MHz or 433 MHz, using modulation techniques to encode digital data. Modern systems don't just send a fixed code, because that would be extremely vulnerable to replay attacks. Instead, they use rolling codes. They use pseudorandom number generators synchronized between the car and the key, or even more securely, a challenge response authentication system. The car generates a random nonce and sends it to the key. The key then processes is through a cryptographic algorithm like AES. This ensures that every interaction is unique and cannot be reused by an attacker. The vehicle's ECU verifies its response in real time. The system also evaluates signal strength and timing to estimate whether the key is genuinely nearby or being relayed from a distance. Once verified, it triggers actuators in the door locking system, unlocking the car almost instantly, often in under a second. In passive systems, capacitive touch sensors on the door handle detect your hand, prompting the entire communication sequence automatically. Inside the vehicle, multiple antennas determine the exact position of the key fob, using triangulation based on signal strength. This ensures the key is physically inside the cabin before allowing the engine to start via a push-button ignition system. However, security challenges like relay attacks still exist, where attackers use devices to extend the communication range between car and key, which is why newer vehicles integrate ultra-wideband technology, or UWB, measuring precise distance using time-of-flight calculations. Some systems use motion sensors in the key fob that disable transmission when the key has been stationary for a long period, further enhancing security. So the next time your car unlocks itself as you walk up, remember, it's not magic, it's a highly sophisticated wireless protocol stack involving RF engineering, embedded systems, and cryptography, all working seamlessly together in real time. If you enjoyed this deep dive into everyday technology, make sure you subscribe to Knowledge Hub for more content like this. And as always, stay curious.